Question number 8. Alright. Number 8. We're subtracting 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1 cannot borrow 1 from here to this. That one you borrow is base 2 you borrow. So the one you borrow here, 2 here, 2 minus 1, 1. This remains 0 now. So we need to borrow from here. Right? The 1 from here becomes 2. 2 borrow 1 from here, this becomes 1. This is 0 already. So the 1 you borrow from here is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. You borrow 1 from here. So nothing here. This is 0 now. You borrow 1 from here to this, which is 2 now. 2. 2 minus 1, 1. This remains 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, yeah. 1 minus 1, 0. Then 1 in base 2. This is how you go about solving or subtracting base. Remember, what you borrow is the base you borrow. Okay? Number 9. In this case, we are adding this to this. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. The rule is no digit should be equal or greater than the base. Yeah. The base here is 2. So because of that, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 0. Write down the remainder, carry the 1, put it here. Yeah, that is 2 here. Don't write the 2. 2 goes to 2, 1 remainder 0. Carry that 1 again, 2 again, 1 remainder 0. Carry the 1 here, add it up, 3. 2 goes to 3. It's 1 remainder 1. Write the remainder, then the 1. All in base 2. This is how you go about. Please, I don't need to remind you to like what we're doing. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this. Alright, for more tutorial. We have to subtract this from this. It's in base 7. Alright? 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Lord. 5 minus 6 you cannot borrow. Remember that one you borrow is the base you borrow. So it's 7 now. 7 plus 5, that is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 is now to 7, so it's allowed. This remains 3. Borrow 1 from here, that is 7. 1 plus 7 plus 3, remember, it's 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, this remains 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 in base 7. Right. We're adding 4 plus 5, that is 9. You can't write the 9 down because it's more than the base. So 6 go to that 9 is 1 remainder 3. Write down the remainder, carry the main division. Put that 1 here is 4 plus 2, 6. You can't write down the 6. So 6 goes to 6 is 1 remainder 0. That main division is here. 2 plus that 1, 3. Here 4 is now up to 6, so you can write it down. Well, 1 plus 4 is 5 in base 6. Question number 12. Alright, given that 110001 in base 2 is equals to x in base 10 plus 110 in base 2. Find the value of x. Look at it. Now the only one in base 10 here is what we're looking for. Alright, so the base 2 can collect like terms. So you do it this way. X in base 10 is equals to, on this side, bring this here, we have 110001 in base 2. This is plus here. As it crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus. We have 0, 1, 1, 1. All right, we are subtracting. It's plus here. It comes over, it becomes minus. we'll have it this way. All right. Let's subtract 0 minus 1 minus 0 is 1. This cannot, so borrow 1 from here. That one is in base 2, right? Everything else is in base 2. So bring it here, it becomes 2. Borrow 1, 1, becomes 2. Borrow 1, remain 1, becomes 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Remember that you borrow 1 from, so it becomes 0, 0. Then we have 1 here. How is simple, right? All right, in base 2, remember, what is the value of x? This is still in base 2, but the value of x here is in base 10. So convert this to base 10. Convert that to 10. How do we do it? If you've been watching my previous videos, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're combining to base 10 now. So you have 1 times the base raised to the power of 5 plus the 0. No, don't waste your time with that. We have 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. All right, let's go. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 5 places. Gives you 32. 32 times 1 is 32 plus 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 raised to the power 0, 1, 1 times 1, 1. If you add up this, we're going to have 32 plus 2, 34, 35 in base 10 now. Meaning to say that, therefore, for me to write it here, x is in base 10 and this number is in base 10. Therefore, s is equals to 35. Answer. Question number 13. Right? We have, how do you get n here as the base? The variable in the base, what do you do? Expand it like you want to find the value of converting it to base 10. Alright, so we have 3, 1 to base n. Do this way, 1 equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 base 2. The same way, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 times, I'm expanding this now, times n raised to the power 1, okay, plus 1 times n raised to the power 0 equals to 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus, move to 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1. The 0 no, to come back to 0, so leave it out. So n raised to the power 1 is n times 3. We have 3n plus, right, n raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times, n raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, 1 equals to 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That gives you 16 times 1. We have 16. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 raised to the power 1 2 times this. Alright, so what do we have? We have 3n plus 1 is equals to 16 plus 4, 20, 22. Alright, I have 3n here, take to the other side, I have 21. Then divide both sides here by the coefficient of the variable, which is 3. Therefore, n is equals to 21 divided by 3, which gives us 7 as the answer. 14. Yeah. You see, I am solving from 1 to 2 covering all questions that will come from number basis. WAEC, JAMB, NECO, foreign undergraduate number basis. So follow me, go through, watch these videos all in different parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, as the case may be. And you have clear understanding of what number basis is all about. Now let's look at question number 14. Now given that this, also this, of course, we have 3 or 1 x 0 1 2. We have this is power 10 already. I mean to base 10 already. So don't convert that. No conversion. So we have here 3 times x raised to the power 2 plus 1 times x raised to the power 0 is equals to 1, 3 to base 10. You don't need to convert that. So what do you have? X raised to the power 2 gives us 3s squared, right? Plus x raised to the power 1 is 1. 1 times 1. We have 1, 3 in base 10. So this gives us 3x raised to the power 2 is equals to take this away from here. We have 192. 192. Now if I divide through by 3 here, we're going to have x squared is equals to 192 divided by 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here, into this, 3 into 19, 6 times, carry 1, 3 goes, bring the 1 here, 3 goes to 12, gives you 4, so I have s squared is equals to 64. Yeah, are you following me? 64. Now we're looking for x. So we take the power square to the other side, becomes the square root of the other side. This is equals to root, as it goes over 64, which is, what's the root of 64? Is 8. Question number 15 on the board here. On the board. Now how do you go about this? Follow me. Simply put, here we have y to base 2. Right, the times that we can use bracket 0, 1, 2, meaning that we have 1 times 2 to power raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. All right, this is equal to 1 times, 1 times 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, power of 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1. Yeah, this way. So we have our y to base 2, bracket 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1, 4, plus 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 times 1. 1 is equals to 2 raised to the power 4, 16 times 1, 16 plus 2 raised to the power 3, 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 raised to the power 2, 4 times 1, then plus 2. All right, here. Then here, what do we have? We have y in base 2, right? Base 2. It's better to write it in words. In base 2 times 5. This plus this is 5 times 5. All right, is equals to 16 plus 4, 20 plus 8, 28 plus 2, 30. All right, so we have y in base 2 is equals to, divide both sides by 5. 30 divided by 5, that gives us 6. This 6 is in base 10. So, it's in base 10, sorry. So we're going to convert this. This is in base 2. We're converting this 6 to base 2, right? Then that will give us the value for y. So 2 here, 3, no remainder, 2, 1, remainder 1, 2, 0, remainder 1. So we have 1, 1 as the answer. Question number 16. Solve for x in the equation given in base 2. This is given in base 2. How do you approach this? Right? Here, since you are going to have 0, 1, all right, 0, 1, 2, we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Here we have 1 times is in base 2 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0, okay, into we have x plus, put it this way, x plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Yeah, this is equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, let me write that here. This is equals to 1 times 2 raised to the power 3. The 0 is not consequential. All right? Yeah. If you do this, expand this, is going to give you 0. So the x there. So what do we do? 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 plus 2 raised to the power 0 1 times is this. We have it this way. All right. Okay. Into, we have this x plus 2 raised to the power 2 4 times 4 plus 2 raised to the power 0 1 1 times 1 1 equals to 2 raised to the power 3 8 times 1 8x. Yeah. Are we together? All right. Now this plus this 3 times, let's add up this 3, or let me put it in bracket, 3 into x plus 5 is equals to 8x. Here, open up the bracket. With here we have 3x plus 3 times 5, 15 equals to 8x. Can connect like terms here. All right. I will have 15 is equals to 8x. Take this over minus 3x. That gives us 5x is equals to 15. Okay. 8x plus 3x gives you 5x, which is equals to 15. Divide, we're looking for x, divide both sides by 5. X now is equals to 3 as the answer.